Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Jason, aka J Million NYC here, and we're just here to take a quick look at the Urban Armor Gear case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. If you've been an earlier adopter of the Z Fold 2, like I got it back in like October, cases were very hard to get, especially ones that you wanted that provided, all protection, basically from a lot of the bigger case manufacturers. So I've been waiting for this case for a couple of months now, and they finally came in about a week ago. So this is like I said, this is the civilian case. And let's provide you with full body protection around the case, so you get this nice bumper around the exterior for the camera. As far as buttons are concerned, you do get protection around the buttons, maybe a little bit too much. Speaker grills, and then you have this border that goes around the front screen, while the inside screen you get a little bit of protection as well. So while this looks cool, my big issue with this case is it provides a little bit too much protection around the front screen. If you can see how thick these borders are, it's a little insane, and that causes some issues. So for instance, if you want to just swipe down, it's you see that happens. But if you want to get to like some of your notifications, you got to really try to get into it and try to get there. Also, typing on this thing makes it a little bit harder as well, because sometimes you can't reach, like I see at the Q button, I can't really reach it unless I really put my finger to the side of it. But if I just want to just go into it, that's a problem there. Also the fingerprint sensor. So the fingerprint sensor is small, and if you have like fat fingers, sometimes you may have to like really get your finger in there a couple of times. So I mean that's one of the issues I have with this case. I do find that if you utilize the main screen, it's a little bit better. Like I said, you get that protection around the screen. Typing on it is much easier. So there's that. But if you're a big fan of using the front screen, which I tend to use a good amount, I would say probably you may not be interested in this case. See, for instance, like I have this civilian case for the iPhone, and you can see the borders are totally different. Like here I can swipe up, down, and so forth. But on this, that's probably my biggest issue. It's just too much space, too much gap, and I think it just causes some problems. But if you wanna read more about my review on the civilian case, head over to G Star Mag, where I'll have this video in there, and you can read my full review and my full verdict on this case. Otherwise, thanks for watching.